here are the cables. So this is HDMI and this is your power cable. Plus also the warranty. So right here is all the warranty. So right now what you're seeing is everything you get inside the box, nothing more. So again, here are the cables, these HDMI cables that comes with. Now these guys feel really heavy duty and they are significantly long. So that's really good. So here's a close-up of the cables. Again, these HDMI, this will go straight to your TV or monitor. And here's the power cable. This is just for your Xbox. So you might notice there is no brick for this. So this is your standard power cable, no brick, which is awesome. Next up, we've got the controller. So this is the controller that comes with this Xbox. From what I can tell you, it looks very, very similar to the Xbox One controller. So pretty much the exact same, feels the same thing. The texture does feel different. Obviously, there's some things that have changed, but they changed very slightly. Not something that they have kept. Well, they kept almost everything basically, but they kept the batteries as well. Which I know there's a lot of people that are not fans of that, but I am because I have rechargeable batteries. And it's great that when this runs out of juice, I just change the batteries. And the fact that I don't have to hook this up to my Xbox to charge it up also is a good thing for me. So that's why I don't like personally about my PlayStation, because I do have to hook it up to PlayStation in order to charge it up. And I do sit far away from my screen, so that's why that would be annoying for me. So again, just a quick look all the way around. Right here, the controller. You would see that you can plug things in right here, which again is pretty standard. And what does seem weird to me is that there is no cable for the controller. But other than that, the controller looks pretty good. Now remember, this is just an unboxing, so we're gonna see exactly that. What you get inside the box, how this looks like. But if you wanna see the setup video and review, those are separate videos. So I do have a video that shows you how to set this up for the first time. I do have a video that shows you how to transfer your games as well. And I have a video that's a review, so you guys can see how well this performed. So as mentioned before, my first thought was this is heavy, and it does feel heavy. It's very small though, so that's awesome. I was looking forward to the fact that this would be small, and I like the fact that this also has grip here. So that way, if we really wanted to, we could place it standing up, depending where you're gonna place it, or you could just place it sitting down. So you do have grip here, grip here, grip here, all the way in the back. It does have some ventilation there, but just very minimal. So if you place this down, that would be the best because you do have ventilation here on the sides. And well, pretty much all the way around, you do have a lot of ventilation happening with this Xbox. Now let's take a look at the ports. We do have our Ethernet, very important, USB, HDMI, and right here we have storage expansion, which most of you will use right away. And finally, the last part, that's just where you plug in your power cable. So that was the back of the Xbox. Now let's take a look at the front. The front is pretty neat. So we just have USB, awesome to have one in the front. We also have this to sync to power on our Xbox. That's an actual button. And that's it. That's how simple this is. So again, if I put things together, you guys can kind of get a sense of how big this is compared to the controller. So again, it's a pretty small Xbox. Now, why did I buy a digital Xbox? Well, I just noticed that all the games that I'm purchasing, they're always online. It's just easier and faster. Plus, at the end of the day, even if you have the disc, you still have to download so much content, which is the same thing as having no disc at all. So that's why I personally went for the digital version. Since again, I do not need any discs. I don't use any discs anymore. But anyways, that would be it for this really quick unboxing. If you guys want to check out the review and setup video, make sure to click on those videos. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.